Hey everyone, welcome back. Alright, today we're going to be working on a Forest King 30-ton log splitter. The handle broke. Went and broke this right off. So instead of just replacing that, we decided we're going to replace the whole valve. Okay, to start this job out, we got the metal line here. That we need the 1 16th inch. And we're going to break that loose. And we'll take that off. Alright, so that's undone. We will pop that out in a little bit. Next, we're going to use 1 1/4 to undo the hose that goes down to the oil filter area. Not expecting it. So that one's undone. For this side, with the hose that goes down to the pump, we're going to use 1 16 inch to fit that one. And you can see that one is a lot tighter than the other ones. So, little persuasion there. And again, get a little bit of fluid. Alright, so we're going to use the 1 1/4 again to break this one loose so we can take the valve completely off the ram. So, not sure how tight that is going to be. Not too bad. I was expecting it to be worse. And this wrench does fit tight. There we go. Helps to hold the valve up a little bit so then it's not so tight. Alright. So again, we get some fluid leakage. I got a pan down here to catch it all. We'll put them side by side. Flip them around. And match them up. They both are a W-V-BR01. They're identical. So off camera, I've had to break some of these loose because they were quite tight and didn't want to come loose. So, like that. Pop that one out. Turn this one over. Take the cap out. Believe it or not, there is a right way and a wrong way to put this stuff on. So when you want to wrap it so it goes in the direction that you're tightening. Because if you put it the other way, it's just going to come off when you put it in. So we'll take this one, we'll put it on. And what did I do with that wrench? There it is. Alright, once I get it on, I'll have to finish tightening it because this, I believe, was pointing straight this way. So we'll finish that up when I get it on. Again, I loosen these ones up. a little dirty. Someone already had Teflon tape on this one. So we're going to try to clean that up. Alright, now that I have it cleaned off, got some new Teflon tape on there. Throw it on here. Again, it says do not use Teflon tape. But how often do we listen? We're men. Or you could be a woman. You probably don't listen either. So. Alright, that one was right about there. I might try to give it a little more, another turn when I get it mounted. Okay, off camera, I had to take these off. They were very tight. I had to break out the big pipe wrench and the hammer. That one's on tight. Not quite sure as to why. So we'll put this one on first. This goes on the side where the handle is. So we're going to thread that down. That's the 3/4 inch. Okay. Alright, that's tight. Now let's see if we can get this on. Persuasion, where are you? Little persuasion. Put a little bit here. We'll break off this piece. Alright, start over. So we're going to take the Teflon tape and we're going to wrap it around here. We'll give it about 1, maybe 1.5. Make sure it's not going into the hole. Alright, so those are on. Let me finish tightening those down and then I'll meet you back at the splitter. So now we're back over at the splitter. We're going to take this metal line. We'll line that up so it's in there. So we'll get that all ready. So alright, so we got that on. We're tightening this up. And then once it's running, then I can check for leaks and do a little more tightening if I need to. Alright, so that's that. Again, this one, try to get another whole turn out of it. And it was about there. And I think that's about how they were lined up. this hose. It goes on here. These didn't have any Teflon tape, so we're not going to do it. We'll just make sure they're nice and snug. So that's 1.25 inches. This hose should really be replaced, but he's deciding he's going to wait. What do you think? Think that hose needs to be replaced? So, see if this hose goes like that. So I need to turn this one more. Lucky me. That's not that bad. That one was super tight. I really had to beat that one out. So, not that bad to do. So let's get these tightened up. What was that? That was the 1/16. Alright, let's tighten this one up since I've got this wrench in my hand. Alright, there is a chain link. You can see it's small down here, bigger down here, and how this ends open. Alright, so we'll just take the needle nose and go just like that. One end will go in here. Or not there, down here. Pay attention. There may be a test left, Kevin. So, stick the handle on there, and now we'll take the clip. We'll shove it on there. There we go. So that's in. Alright, so now we'll take the pin, we'll shove it through here, so it goes right through the hole. I'm sure you can't see that underneath there. We'll take the cotter pin, shove it underneath, or shove it through the hole. So now that we have it on, I checked the oil. It doesn't even show anything on the stick. So keep in mind it is low. I don't have any in my garage. I'll pick some up tonight or tomorrow and finish filling that up for them. So, turn this thing on. Gas on, choke. Got my garage door shut. I don't want to run it too long. Everything is feeling dry. As you've seen, this was very chuggish. So everything's dry. So at this time, there's no leaks. So now that it's the next day, I went and bought hydraulic fluid. Why? Remember, it was running chuggish. There is nothing on the stick. So let me put that in and we're going to do it again. Now there's hydraulic fluid. You can see it dripping off. So let's fire it up and work the air out of the system. What do you say we do that? So turn the switch on. Gas is on. Set the choke. Throttle all the way up. Not sounding too good. Now it sounds better. And there we have it. Full of fluid. Still smoking from the hydraulic fluid that went on there last night. That'll burn off. Still dry. No leaks. We're doing good. So there you have it. Have a good day.